There's no hierarchy about it.
Now it was like one bar, maybe that part should be 2 bars, and then we're going to the last chorus. So after the solo. Well, since I grew up with like 70s music, I've been listening a lot to Fleetwood Mac, Bob Dylan, Rolling Stones, but also a lot of soul like Stevie Wonder, Aretha Franklin, Average White Band, 10 Years After. But I'm also like into modern contemporary music. I would listen a lot to a singer named Erykah Badu. She's super cool. She like uses her voice more like an instrument. And I think that's super unique. And since the voice is an instrument, like an instrument also.
Yeah, that's true about Erykah Badu for sure. Okay, now what's the experience like for you now that you're in the studio versus playing live?
Wow,
It's a bit of an adjustment.
Yeah, it is. I've been playing a lot live. I mean, here you got the opportunity to like dig super deep in one song and like make it like perfectly super smooth and super good. You don't really have time for that when you play live, but no, but it's 2 different things. I love connecting with the audience and get like the live feeling, but this is super educating because you learn so much, and all these musicians, they're like, they invent new parts of the
It's
songs.
like going to school a little bit.
Totally.
Yeah.
So I'm just here
soaking it up.
Yeah, it's like Christmas. Look at these instruments and all the amps. It's just like
It is like Christmas.
and this is like Furlifters keys. I haven't even Hammond organ. My brother had that when I grew up. So I'm just super nice.
Great. Okay.